Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are very fine and enjoying your study. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to find out figure of speech in the poem Wind. This poem has two stanzas. In the first stanza, the poet shows destruction of air. So students, destruction is human quality. So first stanza is written in personification figure of speech. Now let's find out line by line. Second line, don't break the shutters of windows, don't scatter the papers, don't throw down the books on the shelf. Students, these three lines have common word that is don't, and don't comes at beginning of each line. So these three lines have anaphora figure of speech. Next, you tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. You're very clever at poking fun at wiggling. Students, these three lines have a common word that is you, and you comes at the beginning of each line. So these three lines have anaphora figure of speech. Frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. These lines have one common word that is crumbling, and crumbling is repeated in each line. So these lines have repetition figure of speech. The wind god knows and curses them all. In this line, W letter and sound is repeated, so figure of speech alliteration is used here. He won't do what you tell. In this line, W sound and letter is repeated, so alliteration figure of speech is used here. So come, let's build strong homes. In this line, S sound and letter is repeated, so alliteration figure of speech is used here. Next, do this and the wind will be friends with us. In this line, strength, W sound and letter is repeated, so alliteration figure of speech is used here. The wind blows out weak fires. W letter and sound is repeated in this line also, so alliteration figure of speech is used here. He makes strong fires roar and flourish. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. Students, in this stanza, symbologies, fire is used. Fire is used as symbologies. So symbologies figure of speech is used in this stanza because the wind blows out weak fires. Weak fires, fire means weak people. It means fire symbolizes weak person. So fire is used as symbologies. So student, that's all, and it's your turn to read and prepare this. Thank you.